If you've ever been halfway through a project, whether you're painting, framing, or using air tools, and had to stop because your compressor just couldn't keep up with the airflow, you know how quickly that ruins your momentum. The Klutch 29-gallon air compressor is built to end those interruptions. It is a true workhorse designed for the serious DIYer, the home garage enthusiast, and the pro who needs reliable, consistent pressure that lasts. The core of this machine is its 2.5 HP motor, which paired with that massive 29-gallon tank, provides an incredible amount of air capacity. This isn't one of those tiny, buzzing inflators that overheats the second you use an impact wrench. This is a robust system capable of hitting 175 PSI, meaning it has the high-pressure headroom to handle demanding air tools like grinders, ratchets, and paint sprayers without constant cycling. What really sets this unit apart is the balance of performance and accessibility. Since it runs on standard 120-volt power, you don't need to worry about rewiring your workshop or installing expensive 240-volt outlets just to get professional-grade results. You get the power of a shop-level machine in a footprint that fits perfectly into a residential garage or basement workshop. It is built for endurance, with a design that emphasizes durability and efficient cooling, so it can handle the long hours you put into your weekend projects. Plus, the 29-gallon tank serves as a huge reservoir, so the motor doesn't have to run every time you pull the trigger on a nailer or spray gun, significantly reducing noise and wear over the long run. If you are tired of underpowered gear that slows you down and you're ready for a compressor that can actually keep up with your ambitions, this Klutch system is the backbone your workshop has been missing. You can find the best price for the Klutch 29-gallon air compressor by clicking the link below.